Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 15 of the chapter linear equations in one variable, in which we will be discussing the questions of exercise 2.2. In our previous session, we have solved up to the question number 3rd from this exercise 2.2. So, for this today's session, we will start from the question number 4 onwards. In the question number 4, we are given the sum of two numbers as 95 and one exceeds the other by 15. Find the numbers. Now, students, while solving this question, we need out of two numbers any one assumed as some variable. So, let one of the two numbers be variable x I have taken. If one of the two numbers is x, now this sentence is used. What is the meaning of one exceeds the other by 15? Exceeds means increases. So, one out of the two numbers is 15 more than the other. That means now I can say, therefore, the other number will be 15 more than the one we assumed as x. Now students, sum of these two numbers is 95. We will use this sentence. Sum of two numbers is 95. It is given, therefore x added to x plus 15 is equals to 95. Now x plus 15, here we need to remove this bracket. To remove this bracket, this plus sign will multiply. What is the plus sign here? What does it mean? It is plus 1 is multiplying. So, there is nothing means its coefficient is 1. So, plus 1 into x is plus 1x, plus 1 into plus 15 is plus 15. So, 1x plus 1x gives you 2x plus 15, which is unlike term. This 1x and 1x are like term, so we added them. So, left hand side we have got 2x plus 15 and in right hand side we have 95. So, on solving this, you know how to solve this one. We shall do 2x plus 15 equals to 95. Therefore, plus 15 when it is transposed gives you 2x equals to 95, which is addend, comes this side and becomes subtrahend. So, 95 minus 15 gives you 80. So, 2x equals to 80. Here 2 is a multiplicand to the variable x. When it is transposed in the right hand side, it becomes divisor. So, 80 divided by 2 gives you 40. Therefore, the value of x is 40. Therefore, the two numbers are, one is 40 and another is 50 more than 40, which is 55. So this is how we solve the question. Now coming to the question number 5th, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? See children, whenever you see ratio, always assume the ratio constant as some variable. Let the ratio constant be, I can assume any variable. Now you can assume as a ratio constant as r. Therefore, the two numbers are 5r and 3r. So 5 into r gives you one number, 3 into r gives you another number. Now their difference is simple. Subtraction operation is done. So 5r minus 3r equals to 18, where their difference is 2r equals to 18. Therefore, r is equals to 18 divided by 2, where 2 is multiplicand. If it comes this side, it does the division. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. The value of r is 9. So now we can write the conclusion. Therefore, the numbers are, since r is 9, 5 into 9, 45, and 9 into 3, 27 are the two numbers. Students, now coming to the question number 6. Three consecutive integers added up to 51. What are the integers? Meaning of consecutive, nothing but continuous. So if I say one as a x, the other two are next to x, x plus 1, and next to that x plus 2 will be the other two. So we will assume, let us assume the consecutive integers as x, one more than x, and one more than this previous one is x plus 1 becomes x plus 2. We can assume like this. Now sum of them, when they are added up, gives 51. I use this sentence. Therefore, sum of this x plus 1 and plus x plus 2 gives you 51. Now removing the bracket, so there is nothing, means plus 1 multiplies and removes. Plus 1 into x plus 1x plus 1 into plus 1 is plus 1. Here there is nothing, means plus 1 only again. Plus 1 into x is plus 1x, plus 1 into plus 2 is plus 2. X plus 1x plus 1x, they are all like terms. Here there is nothing, means 1 will be there. So 1x plus 1x plus 1x, they are all like terms. Plus 1 plus 2 is 3, which is a like term of 1 and 2 added up gives you 3. This is left hand side. Now right hand side 51 I am writing as it is. Now this sum 1x plus 1x plus 1x is plus 3x. and plus 3 is a unlike term with the variable 3x, variable term 3x equals to 51. This is the equation formed. Now we will solve this equation. We have 3x plus 3 equals to 51, and this addend 3, if it comes this side, it becomes subtrahend. So we have variable term alone kept in left hand side, rest of the things we are sending into right hand side. Now 51 minus 3 is 48, which is equals to 3x. Now 3 multiplicand, if it is transposed, it becomes divisor. So therefore x equals to 48 divided by 3, and variable x is equals to 16. The moment you got x value, then rest other two consecutive multiples. Therefore 3 consecutive integers are 16, next to that 17 and 18. This is how we do conclude. Now coming to the question number 17, sorry, 7th question. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. See, consecutive multiples. Normally you know multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. If you know any one, the other two you can easily say by adding 8, and further you can say one more by adding twice 8. For example, if I say 24, with that I start, plus 8 gives me 32, and plus 8 to 32, that is 16 more than this 24 gives you 40. So we are assuming, let us assume three consecutive multiples of 8 as, if I assume x, and next to that x plus 8 will be there, and next to that x plus 16 will be there. 8 more than first fellow, and further 8 more means 16 more than first fellow. So their sum, that is x plus 8 added to x plus 16, these three of them total is 888. So this is what we are given now. Now you know how to remove the bracket. After removing bracket, you will get plus x plus 8 plus x plus 16, which is equals to 888. Now x plus x gives you 3x, 8 plus 16 gives you 24, which is 888, and this is the equation we have formed for solving this question. Now we shall solve this equation. 3x plus 24 equals to 888. 24 when it is transposed becomes subtrahend, as it is addend in left hand side, it gives you 864. 3x has 864, x equals to 864 divided by 3. Here 3 is a multiplicand, and right hand side when it is transposed it is going to be a divisor. Now on division, 3 2s are 6, that 2 is carry 26, 3 8s are 24 and 3 8s are 24. So the value of x is 288. The moment you got the value of x, now therefore the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 are, first number is 288, 8 more than that is 296, and 8 more than this 296 is 304. So this is how we solve this question. Now coming to the question number 8. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, 3 consecutive integers, they add up to 74. Now same assumption we have to start with. Let us assume that the 3 consecutive integers as, see children, if I assume middle one as x, I can have next one as x plus 1 and previous one as x minus 1. This is another way of assuming. Either we can start with first one as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Otherwise we can start middle one as x and previous one as x minus 1 and next to that as x plus 1. So this is also a one way of assumption, and this is a better way of assumption sometimes. Here in this, which is increasing order, this is a smaller one, this is a bigger one, and still bigger one is x plus 1. Now first one is multiplied by 2, middle one is multiplied by 3, and last, that is third one, is multiplied by 4, and their product is added, gives you 74. That is what he says. Now remove these brackets by multiplying with the respective numbers. So 2 multiplies x minus 1 gives you 2x minus 2 plus 3x, as it is it comes. This plus 4 distributed over x plus 1, multiplication over addition, it is, gives you 4x plus 4 equals to 74. Here the like terms are 4x, 3x and 2x. Their summation is 9x, and the other like terms are minus 2 plus 4, whose simplification gives you plus 2, equals to 74. Now you know here is the equation formed. Now we shall solve this. 9x plus 2 equals to 74. Now we have 9x plus 2 equals to 74. This 2 addend comes this side and becomes subtrahend, gives you 72 in right hand side, and 9x in left hand side remains as it is. Now this 9 comes right hand side and becomes the divisor, as in left hand side it is multiplicand. So now x value is 8. Now the moment you know x as 8, therefore 3 consecutive integers are, middle one is 8 and previous one is 7 and the next one is 9. So this is how we get this question number 8 is solved. So students, I will wind up this session with this question number 8. From our next session we shall start from the question number 9. Till then, take care of yourself, and this question number 9 onwards we shall see from next session. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay happy. Jai Hind. Thank you.